Hi, this is Mike Byers, otherwise known as Mudman. Today I want to kind of walk you through some steps with regard to when you guys look to hire a drywall guy. Make sure he knows exactly what he's doing. That's not always easy to find. There's a lot of guys out there who'll do their work for very little money and claim to do it well, only to find out that maybe they've caulked in a ceiling line that the tape needs to be repaired, or maybe they just tape over another piece of tape that's been damaged and hope that it goes away. Quick fixes are not what we do at Cornerstone. We are all about not cutting corners. So today I want to talk to you about instead of putting a band-aid on a problem, let's take a look at how we can do some surgery on it. And what we came across on this job today was that we had a piece of drywall that, as I was taking the tape off to replace, I noticed that the wall was floating, and it just didn't appear that there was any kind of stud work underneath it. So I'll walk you through those steps and show you what we did and how we fixed it. And when you're looking for somebody to do it right, make sure to call Cornerstone Painting and Drywall. Mudman will be on his way. You can be sure that when you see tape popped where a ceiling and a wall are joined, there's going to be somewhat of a gap, as you can see here. We also discovered on this job that the wall was moving. I was trying to find the studs here, and as you can see, I found one right there. My knife is not going in very deeply, but as I move down the line, it goes in all the way. No stud work for about 30 inches. Code is usually 16 to 24 inches. Once I opened up this wall, I could see two angled studs about 30 inches apart. I'm going to need to brace this up in order to make this fit again. I then installed two braces, one to hold the two pieces of drywall together and one to make sure that the wall didn't float at the top any longer. As you can see, I had to cut a 2x4 to fit the angled studs. The repair is nearly completed. I had to move the piece of drywall up slightly to close up that gap, and I left a smaller gap along the bottom which will easily be filled with Durabond. Next I need to tape everything up and it'll be done, ready for paint. And the added benefit is that this wall will no longer move. It is rock solid.